Do you know a single 50 kilowatts commercial solar system can power an entire residential complex of about 50 houses? Today, I will show you how such a system works and how we install it step by step. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our solar energy training series. My name is Ahmad Hussain. I am an electronics engineer, and more than 20 years I have been working as a software developer and technology professional. Before starting today's tutorial, I want to share a powerful idea from the concept of think big. There was an advertisement in the United States offering a two jobs. One job was 5,000 salary and other was 50,000 salary. The 5,000 salary job, the candidate queue was very big, huge queue. And for the 50,000 salary, only few people were there. So why was that? The reason behind this that the most of the people they don't think big, they think small. If the people think big, they can do big. So that's why the 50,000 job was the very few people were there, and 5,000 job was the queue was full of the candidate. Another quotation I read, beautiful quotations. If you think how to do it, if you think how to do it, if you think you can do it, so how to do it, develop. Today we are going to install 50 kilowatts sun grow commercial inverter, and a 50 kilowatt solar system can produce enough electricity to support a residential complex of about 50 houses depending on their electricity usage. In this tutorial we will learn how many solar panels are required, how to connect solar panels into string, how to connect the wiring, how the solar inverter work, and how to use the 4 MPPT, because this 50 kilowatt system come with the 4 MPPT of 28 amperes current. So the all I will explain you step by step in a simple way. So stick with us till the end of the video. Panel calculation examples. Uh, we we have around okay, we are going to connect 600 watts solar panel with this our 50 kilowatts inverter. So now we're gonna see how many panels we can connect with that 50 kilowatts inverter. So the is the name of the name of the inverter showing us the power of inverter is the 50 kilowatts. So we divide the 50 kilowatts with the 600. So plus minus 83 panels we can connect with that inverter. But now the another important thing to consider here, the MPPT voltage of the inverter. This inverter come with the 4 MPPT. And what is the MPPT? MPPT, we call it the maximum power point tracker. The maximum power point tracker means it is we can it is a similar like the automatic car gear. The car choose the gear according to according to the suitable situation. So similarly, the MPPT work is it choose the maximum power according to the requirement of the weather conditions. So when we divide 5,000 watt with the 600 watts of the panel power, so it gives us the 83 panels. But here's the two more important things need to consider before we install the panels, because the MPPT maximum voltage of inverter is around 900 volt. Minimum is 300 volt, maximum is 900 volt. So the 900 volts mean we can this MPPT can produce the 900 DC volts. So To achieve the 900 DC volts, we need to see the VOC voltage. We call the open circuit voltage. Open circuit voltage mean when the panel is not connected with the anything. So the open circuit voltage of the 600 watt J panel is 45 volts, and what you call that, 45 volt, and then the maximum current of one panel produced is around plus minus 10 amperes current. So now we will calculate this, how many panels we can connect with that 1 MPPT to reach to the 900 volts. So we divide the 900 volt by 45 volt, that is we call the VOC voltage. So let's open the calculator here, and then 900 divided by 600. So we can connect plus minus 900 divided by 45 volt, the VOC voltage. So we can connect plus minus around 900 volt, 900 volt divided by 45 volts. So we can connect plus minus 20 panel with our 1 MPPT. But now this all 20 panel we gonna connect in a series to achieve the 900 DC volt. Another important thing to keep in our consideration is the MPPT current. The MPPT current is a 28 amperes, and then one panel produce the 10 amperes current. So when we connect this panel in a series, so 20 panel in a series, so we will get the 900 DC volt with the 10 amperes current. But still we are in short of the 18 amperes current. So what we can do, we can add the one more string of the 20 amperes, 20 panels in series, and these two string we can connect with the MPPT in parallel. So that is how we can get in a parallel the current will add up, in series the voltage will add up. So now we have a two string in 900 volt and 20 ampere currents. So that is the perfect to connect for the 1 MPPT. We can connect the 40 panels. So one string of the 20 panel of 600 watts, the rating of the panel is maximum current is 10 amperes, and VOC open circuit voltage is 45 volts. So that is how we can connect with 1 MPPT 40 panels, and we have a 4 MPPTs here. So 4 multiplied by 20, 40. So we can connect plus minus 120 panels with our this inverter.